আসে অবশ্যই টিসিএফ এর বক্তব্যকে আমরা প্রাধান্য দিই। এই কারণেই বলছি 55।
Sa no abibti ba silong malay tam kok laga ela sing na kok laga bo kok martar na ta
অবনি ব্যাপারে যেহেতু সালাইফুরু অরচুং খরকতাম যে তংনাই এই বিসিংগু বতঙ্গ যেহেতু আবো বসা
জগদীশ বাবু সাবনা
So you have said that you give priority to the TCR, the Tipra Citizens Forum candidates as well in the non-reserved seats. And you are talking about 50 to 55 seats. You have earlier said that in any way the harmful elements which in fact the party chief, the group people said, harmful elements which are not in sync with the grain of Tripura would not be allowed to take advantage of disunity among different parties. So in this regard, different candidates to presidential TCF, will there be any kind of understanding with people who are in sync with the grain of
pressmite?
No, as you said, it was uttered by our Supremo. His words said, but in analyzing, if we find that the members of the TCS should be given priority.
Seriously, so what is the message that you give from this particular press conference, and when the probable list is coming, and how many seats Tipra is planning to contest from this?
As I have already told that 55 seats we are contemplating to contest, and definitely before formation of PCF we would not have taken this decision. After formation of PCF now, we find that a lot of people are joining, lot of citizens are joining with Tipra mothani. So definitely, what does it mean? It does mean that other than the indigenous people of Tripura, even others are also supporting our demand, Greater Tipra land. So they are supporting Greater Tipra land. It means that it has transcended across the communities. Not only our community, but also the people who are talking about this, that it is only supported by the indigenous people. It is no longer supports of the indigenous people. It is support from all sections of the people right now.
So I'd like to know that the Congress and the CPM and the Alliance talks today, the Congress State President Mr. Bijit Sinha said that his party, the Congress Party, has got support and sympathy for the cause of the Tipra mothani party. And he also said that during his talks with the Tipra mothani chief, he was assured that the Tipra mothani also has sympathy for Congress. The CPM, the State Secretary, Mr. Jitin Chaudhary, also said repeatedly that he has got strong hopes that the Kishore will act in the welfare of the state and would think about either supporting the opposition alliance or looking at a better, best possible way. That's what he said. What would you say on that?
No, it is
One thing very shortly, our Bubagra is coming.
No, let me just respond. Let me just respond. Bubagra has already said, even from Guwahati, that if all other parties who are supporting our core demand, let them also give us writing that they also support this particular. Then we'll understand that they really support. Otherwise, orally supporting a demand sounds good, but if they are giving us in writing, that will be welcome.
What we understood from Mr. Prabhu's issues, videos though, because we could not speak with him, is that he said what you are giving. He has not categorically said that the support has to be Greater Tipra land. If we carefully hear, he said on the our demand is Greater Tipra land, but for the development the indigenous people and for their constitution and what you will support.
Constitutional solution.
Solution you have, you give us on written on them.
Yeah.
Is it a fact?
No, to my understanding, if I could correctly remember what he said that whatever we are demanding for should also be supported by them in writing. That's what the spirit of this statement.
Someone may say that we can develop that indigenous people through direct funding to the IDC or more power to the IDC. They may give in that form also. So
Right now, the issue is not about direct funding. Right now, the issue is not development. We don't say that we don't require development, but looking at the scenario for the last 73 years, we are committed to adhere to the core demand that we are now striving for.
So regarding the issue of Tipra, like you mentioned that we have not received any written assurance from any other party. So have you received any written proposal of any other sort from any other party?
No.
Which party did you talk till now, and what is the minimum commitment they have given?
No, nothing. No minimum commitment, no minimum word.
And sir, we saw that there was a recent meeting of Mr. Rankul was also there, Jagruda also I believe was there in Guwahati.
No, let them.
I'm saying that of BJP ally IPFT, the remaining part of IPFT, because we can find other IPFT leaders are already with Motha. In that case, what is the development in that?
Now we don't reject the idea of being together in unity. So definitely, if the rest of the portion of IPP also join with us, they are welcome.
But already you had talks. What is the development of that talk?
Talks is, when you talk about discussion is always, it is in the
It
process.
is on process. Still on process.
So that's it.
The discussions were initiated by Mr. Pradyut Kishorji.
Yes.
And they have responded. So how has their response been so far? Are you satisfied with the progress?
No. Okay. Yeah.
Only
We'd like to come in. Audio.
day before yesterday's night, Prem Kumar and 3 others came. They met our chairman. And according to them, they were very cordial. Our side also, we were present. We welcomed them. We congratulated them also. Then finally, they had faced one pressman also. He came and he asked details. And they said, let us have some time so that we can approach to other members of IPFT, or those who are still outside of them at the very point of time in Guwahati. So they will come to state and they will meet other colleagues, those are still available, and they will sit together and they will convey the message to our chairman, Maharaj Pradyutji, and they are trying, but they are trying so that they come together one time to join Tipra Motha. That is what we have learned from them. And regarding our meeting with other leaders of other parties in the state, we have no record of it. But we still send message that we want that we should come together so that we can replace the present regime. Those who have become very familiar, they are no more familiar with the people. So we have appealed others also. And many have responded to our appeal, especially from towns and outskirts, the minority communities, those who have started their talking with us, if they can become also strong segment of the population, especially the minority Muslim, and from scheduled caste also, and Manipuris, and religious minorities also. They have all started coming and talking to us so that we can make some alternative state government also. And regarding that issue, it is on process. We cannot just scale it that this much, that much is with us. But we still open our heart and mind and our talking also with them. It continues now because in politics, we have to enter to certain area where we can have good understanding with the people. That is growing on, that is on the process. Now, what we have been talking with ruling party, I will ask our senior leader, Mr. Jagadish Devarma, which we held in Guwahati. So that part is still untold. It's not secret, it is open, but we are yet to take it out and take it to the press also, so that no misunderstanding, no speculation wrongly can be arrived at any places. We are very free. We don't conceal anything, because by concealing nothing will achieve. So we are very, very open to our every step, because our chairman, Honorable Pradut Ishur Maliko, had also advised. He also been advised by others, by senior and junior, mixed population and mixed ages people in our midst. We want that he should be also guided, we should be all guided together, so that we can work actively and with strong mandate we have given to the people, so that people will like to know it. And we are, on the other hand, we are responsible, and we cannot be escaped from any mistakes wheresoever, whenever we commit it. So we are answerable. Therefore, we want to reveal everything through the truth. So now I will ask Jagadish Devarma to brief about our meeting with Chief Minister Assam and two other BJP leaders, and that talk we will take it up.
No need to say again.
Bangla?
Sir, kamu saja ni. Kamu tu bisa sampai Malay, mereka Malay ya.
그저 구조기 동안 보겠어. 삶의 양.
Borok kamu yang pakai. Kalau ni airline tunggu ya.
BJP로 আমন্ত্রণকারী 옥살라냐 하네. Not for seat sharing. তিনি কোর ডিমান্ডতেই 옥살라에参加해. 지금 허락부리 프레젠트인 거 무바그라 옥살라도 저는 옥살라요. তিনি কাইসানক जोंनो रिटेन फर्मो कुनो एसुरेंस दिया ओंखाय जों थांबाय बरक संखा नोंनि तमो उर डिमान्ड प्लेयार कार्ड ग्रेटर टिप्रालेट बा टिप्रालेट ओंखाय मरक बीजेपी रक आबनो रुनानि बा आबनो कोसिमाया ओंखाय जोंबो प्लेयार नो साका ताई नरबे कुनो कक सानानै दकासिखौ आसि ककबो
Mereka orang guru beda-beda kah, om hanya di.
어느 꾸는 베드까
Sekarang IPFT macam macam no.
IPFT에 꼭 살아보니까고 프로세스 졸리던 거 뭐로 구하티오 사모니 아고틀라고 파이 봉리 때시아 멤버스고 꼭 살아지 아절 디기션 나네 플레이어 꼭은가 기니 모타니 체어맨니고 IPFT 너로 놈니 organization no visual paji di promote ho paji nabugo kok samani soya ko goboro agot lago kok salai chuno sahona ko ukai bubagra khana soni akino jotto bubagran thanino clear mande
Kaisa media dia national media kaisa sama tongo lem kemari yang bersaka buagra bersaka jepol kancangin to ungan itu mani berat setelah kerja saka upload di dorong gaya naik apa last itu
abo just initial stage je salaimani amon yagulo press conference kaise klejakha je process is on process chengjakha ngai tabu final process oro semne agortolabo ngai borok salai akoi thaying samahainon ini honorable chairman samahainon salai akoi borok oro convent lain amon sagan ka sumutai saimani sum Abgerati, Osuggerati,
tabuk bortam sidan to na bong
Bong Sakawa.
bong sakao
nor cái press release saka যে কেবল ভাই এলএনসি যা ওব অফিশিয়ালি দা লুটকারি খান না তিনি পরে কেবল এলএনসি না নর প্রপোজাল লেখেন নর অনলাইন করে
Officially,
nung ok barbar sungui tongo written form yabo SNS
না যদি রেখাইটা
যদি গ্রেটার ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড nung na hingaba tini namen to greater ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড subli in politics kamani power ni politics ya tini total tabuk tripura sarok thanchang khanang yogna ni bagi chung sanmani greater ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড na hingka kai tamngi sung understanding khangma yang naba
আপন আঙ্গো যে অবন কক সামাকে প্রেস রিলিজ কক সামাকে নমিনেশন 30 তারিখ জরা নর কোন বাউন্ড টং যে গ্রেটার ত্রিপুরান বড় না দি সাকা আপু ওলব সাইমান ব্লে আপরু পানো বসিনাইকে ওলো ইলেকশন পরে পানো
nung tele press release kamgle yakota press release hari khable je chung greater Tipraland jodi kari kai in under no circumstances hereby alliance sunga nang abai kum kom
president
Jinta
na
box kariya
buko yung president
খরচ পূজা খাবো
ruza khabo
ang kisok kusugui tongo suru
আচ্ছা শুনেন বাংলা ভাষা আংসাবানো বাংলা ভাষা খুব সুন্দর না হইলেও ব্রোকেন ভাবে আমি কইলেও অসুবিধা হইতো না তো না এখন
দাদা ইউ মিক্স ইংলিশ এন্ড বেঙ্গলি ডোন্ট বি আ প্রবলেম
এখন আমরা যেটা বুঝলাম যে গুয়াহাটি গেছি আমরা এখানে বিভিন্ন ভাবে আলোচনা হয় আমাদের একটাই এখানে সাবমিশন ওই বিজেপি নেতৃত্বের কাছে যে আমরা তো কোনো পার্টির কিংবা কোনো পদ কিংবা কোনো এলাইন এইভাবে আমরা বলতে আসছি না আমরা চাই যদি কোনো সরকার পার্টি না কোনো সরকার যদি আমাদের দাবিকে একটা কনসিডার করার আলোচনা খুলতে পারে আমরা নিশ্চয়ই আপনাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলবো কিন্তু যদি কোনো রকম পয়েন্ট না থাকে কনস্টিটিউশনাল সাংবিধানিক কোনো পয়েন্ট যদি না থাকে এখানে আমরা কথা বলার আমাদের কোনো স্কোপ নাই জনসাধারণের কাছে আমরা এটা দায়িত্ব গ্রহণ যে আমাদের গ্রেটার ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ডের যে আইডিওলজিটা এটার জবাব কেমনে দিব আমরা কাজেই আমাদের জবাব হইতেছে যে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার যদি অন পেপারে বলে যে এটা আমরা আলোচনা করব তখন আমরা আলোচনা আবার নামতে পারি পলিটিক্স তো এখনই শেষ কালকা শেষ হয়ে গেছে এরকম নাই তো যদি কোনো জায়গা খোলার কিংবা রিওপেনের কোনো রকম প্রস্তাব আসে তো আমরা মানুষ তো আমাদের একটা জায়গাতেই থাকতে হবে এটা তো আমরাও জানি কাজেই আমাদের কাছে কোনো রকম লিখিত এবং অ্যাসুরেন্স এরকম আমরা পাইনি কোনো পার্টির কাছে যার জন্য এখন আমরা আপনাদের সম্মুখে এটা করব না এটা আমরা বলতে পারি না ভবিষ্যতের কথা তো আমরা কেমনে বলবো যদি এখন প্রাইম মিনিস্টার কিংবা হোম মিনিস্টার অফিস থেকে যদি বলে আমরা আলোচনা করতে চাই বেসড অন গ্রেটার ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড আমরা তো নিশ্চয়ই আলোচনা করবো এমনি সব ইলেকশন হোক ইলেকশনের পরে হোক ইলেকশনের আগে হোক কিন্তু ইলেকশনের আগে আমাদের প্রস্তুতি নেওয়ার কারণ হচ্ছে যে আমরা বন্দী জনসাধারণের কাছে আমরা বন্দী এই যে এই ইস্যু নিয়ে মানুষ ত্রিপুরা মথাকে সাপোর্ট করে এটা অল সেকশন অফ দ্য পিপল মুসলিম হোক বুদ্ধিস্ট হোক খ্রিস্টিয়ান হোক হিন্দু হোক মাইনরিটি বিভিন্ন সম্প্রদায় তারা সবাই কম বেশি তারা আমাদেরকে সহযোগিতা দিতেছে হ্যাঁ যদি গ্রেটার ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড একটা স্টেট উইদিন স্টেট যদি হয় আমাদের অনেক রকম বেনিফিট আমরা লোকের কাছে দিতে পারবো নিয়ারেস্ট ইভেন এট দ্য ডোর অফ দ্য ফ্যামিলি